fabulous people, welcome or welcome back to my channel Keeping It Raw with Aditi. This is Aditi Redkar this side. It's a new day for the trip, so let's dive straight into the video. Okay you guys, as you know, this is the third day of my trip. If you are new to my channel, then I am on a trip from Amritsar to McLeodganj to Dharamshala. I'm so sorry for the noise because there's some construction going on right here. Today we are leaving McLeodganj and going to Dharamshala, and I'm going to definitely miss this pretty view of the mountains, the snow-capped mountains. Everything is going to be missed from my end. But let's see what Dharamshala holds for us, what adventures we can do, what places we can see, and how the journey goes from Dharamshala to Amritsar. Everything will be posted for you all, so stay tuned and hop on my journey. Anyway, this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing a skirt from Yousta, and this is also from Yousta, I guess. And we're ready to roll, and we're going to say bye-bye to the room for McLeodganj. This is my today's breakfast. We have also ordered Himachali Sidhu, that is their staple dish, and that is ordered aloo paratha. Once the Sidhu is come, I'll show you. So this is the Himachali Sidhu, guys. It has a covering and then it has stuffing of, I think, walnut chutney, and he's given two chutneys, green one and red one. This is spicy one I had with momos, and this is for mama, so mama will try it. Hi. Okay guys, so now we are here to ride the ropeway. I can show you. This is our ride. So we are going to ride the ropeway from McLeodganj, and we have to get down at Dharamshala, and it's going to be a beautiful 12-minute ride. You can see behind there are more ropeway. I don't know if you can see. लाइट की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा है, बट आई शो यू द व्यू. इट्स सुपर अमेजिंग. सो दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी, एंड दिस इज आवर राइड, आई गेस. आई एम नॉट श्योर. इट्स मूविंग नाउ. इट्स गोइंग टू बी सुपर अमेजिंग. सो वी आर इन द रोप वे, एंड यू कैन सी दिस ब्यूटिफुल व्यू of the mountains. Oh my god, look how down it is. Look at the snow-capped mountain. It's so pretty. And the sun is shining right on my face. That's more prettier than anything else.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above.
Okay, we have reached the other side, that is Dharamshala. This is our drop station, and now we will get down. Khul ja, same. The door has opened. Himalayan tea gardens. यहाँ पे पूरे चाय के बागान हैं, which I will show you all soon. At this view, you guys. और यहाँ पे देखो पूरा mountain range you can see, and यहाँ पे पूरे टी के बगीचे हैं. Are walking in middle of this tea heaven. It is so amazing over here. Mom is running to click pictures. Papa bhi kam nahi hai. Everybody is just trying their best to get the best pictures. And they are serving hot brew, kombucha. There's also matcha. So let's see whatever we can get, whatever is available. I'll try to get that. And it's really nice. So we have already reached Dharamshala, by the way. And these are the Himalayan tea gardens, as I told you all. The ride was really good. The gondola, what do you call it, I don't know, the ropeway ride was pretty amazing. Here the temperatures are not as high as they were in McLeodganj. Thoda kam hai, but it's pleasant. And this hot masala tea, how is it, Papa?
So very nice, good, tasty masala tea.
And
this is a specialty of this place.
yes, and I have ordered matcha. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा variety है, you can see. This is how it is. There are iced teas also in these. ये flavors हैं ना पूरे. So these are all the flavors you can get, and you can purchase also. So यहाँ पे you can buy. I think here all the people who have come का pictures है, and here you can purchase. So let's see. I think mom wants to purchase, so she's gone there. Taken this blueberry and matcha ice cream. Mama, eat and tell how it is. Eat and tell how it is.
Best it is.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's do the taste test. It's really nice because it's blueberry. Matcha का उतना flavor hit नहीं हो रहा है, which is good because I don't like matcha usually. This is good. So we have come to see the war memorial, and this is some of the information about the major wars which had happened. These are the captains. You must be knowing this special man, Captain Vikram Batra, जिस पे शेरशाह भी बनी थी. And this is how the war memorial is looking. They've depicted a fighter jet. And यहाँ पे पूरा चल के घूमना है. Look at this beautiful flowers they have planted. पे इन्होंने इंडिया का मैप बनाया है and they have colored all the different states with different color. And now we are going up to see. There you can see a navy boat depiction. I don't know if they've given a name to it. वो तो पास जाके पता चलेगा. Let's go on top and see. This is the main attraction of the place, and they have done this gun with a hat. It's called the Fallen Soldier. वहाँ पे flags भी हैं हमारे Navy, Air Force वगैरह के, I guess. Not very sure about it. And here you can see all the names of the regiments. At this beast, you guys, it's called a pounder artillery gun, 25 pounder. It's so huge. Damn, it's really fascinating. Famous धर्मशाला स्टेडियम जहाँ पे बहुत सारी मैचेस होती हैं, national as well as international, and this is the visitors place. तो यहाँ हम देखने आ सकते हैं.
Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a
We are done seeing the stadium and now we are having some refreshments. What is your review about the stadium?
It's a beautiful stadium, and also view is a very good, wonderful view.
The Himalayas.
Himalaya.
Yeah, it is Himalayas.
Oh.
And it is one of the best stadiums is what they say because you can see the snow-capped mountains. So it's a really nice, it's not a very big stadium, but it's really
It's a
pretty.
small stadium.
It's the Norbulinga Institute. So let's see what it is. मुझे भी exactly नहीं पता है यहाँ पे क्या है, but बहुत beautiful है.
every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned.
Look at this view, you guys. It's so pretty. ऊपर पूरे mountains, and this is the institute. It's built on a huge place. It's the doll museum. Let's go inside and check it out. This depiction of dolls. I think this is the traditional dance depiction. I'm not sure, you guys. It is so serene and beautiful. Beautiful dollhouse. When I was small, I always wanted to have a dollhouse. This is so pretty. It has a cute door as well. बहुत ही सुंदर, you guys. This is their main shrine, as you can see, and there is sculpture of Buddha and the Rhine. I'll zoom into it.
Every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene.
If you're planning a trip here, then this should be one of the locations on your list because ये experience करना बहुत ही important है. It's really pretty and everything here is so peaceful. मतलब पानी बह रहा है, सब कुछ बहुत शांत है, लोग अपना काम कर रहे हैं. It's definitely a worth watch. The stay for tonight, you guys, and you have to still wait to see our room because it is something so different and so beautiful. But the surrounding of this hotel is also so pretty. Look at these beautiful flowers and look at these cuties just lying down, so cute. So this is our room. This is the ground, which has the kitchen. Then we have to go on top. क्या सही लेमन ग्रास का स्मेल है यहाँ पे पूरा. And this is our bedroom. And then we have to go more on top. यहाँ पे और भी beddings है. Isn't it so pretty? There's a gallery. And the view of the whole city and the mountain. So pretty. You can still see the snow-capped mountain from here. Really nice. Hey guys, I'm in the room and look behind us. Oh my god. All the mountain ranges again. Mama, how you like the hotel?
Nice, good, beautiful. Yes.
It's far our expectation. We did not expect to stay in such a hotel. We did not know also that such hotel is there available or whatever. We just came searching on Google. And if you want to know the details about this hotel, then do leave a comment. Do leave a, I don't know why I'm fumbling. I think with joy I'm fumbling now. So do leave a comment in the comment section if you want to know the details. I'll give you all the details you need. And this is so pretty. Thu nazar na lage for our further trip, but I can't do chef's kiss here. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Now we have come out in the market and look what I have ordered. Puri momos, you guys. I've had a little bit of it and I forgot I did not vlog, so I started vlogging and it's really delicious. बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. I never tried tandoori momos. I'm trying this for the first time and it's really good. This is the Dharamshala market. It is not as same as McLeodganj. This is more city and commercialized area. हमने थोड़ा बहुत घूम लिया है, ज़्यादा कुछ तो है नहीं. Now we are heading back to the room. Good morning, you guys. It is day 2 in Dharamshala. Yesterday I just totally forgot to end the day. I came back to the hotel. We had dinner in the hotel itself and then dozed off. Now we are waiting for breakfast in the hotel itself. They have complimentary breakfast with the room. So we'll have that and then we will be leaving for Amritsar. And tonight we'll be staying there. So I'll take you all on the journey from Dharamshala to Amritsar and saying bye to the room. Okay, so now I'm just surfing around the villa because it's so pretty. And how you're liking it, Mama?
Beautiful place. Nice.
Painting by owner, madam.
Yeah, the owner is also very sweet. She just came to greet us. And those 3 dogs just have my heart. Although I'm just scared. Here, look at this cutie. Yes, come. Look at them. They are so cute. And there's one more of them who is sleeping, I think. I don't know where he went. So they're just so sweet. There she is coming. Look at them, you guys. So cute. And this thing, I was telling you, just keeps on playing and the music. Just listen to it. So nice. So I was telling you about the owner. The owner is so sweet. She came in the morning to greet us and just had a small chat. So if you all in Dharamshala, do come to Nandini Villa. Visit here. The prices are also very affordable. So do come here. If you need any details, just tell me in the comment section. I will try to give you the max details I can. Now the breakfast has come, so let's have it. So we have taken a pit stop and we are on our way to Amritsar. And look what I have found here. So they are selling this lemon. Look at the size, is just as big as my face. Itna bada. I mean, I've never seen such big lemons. God knows how they taste, but they are huge. Completely covering my face. And we are having lemon juice. No, orange juice. And these are all the different varieties of oranges which are available. It's super fresh and बहुत ही सही taste करता है ये. I just love drinking this. हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. Everything is so synthetic. This is cheap but still good quality and pura fresh. I think around 10 kilometers from here they have the bagan of this. वहाँ से ही लाते हैं. And now we'll begin the journey again to Amritsar. Okay guys, so now I am in a restaurant called as Amritsari Haveli. We have taken a pit stop for lunch over here and it's a really fancy looking heritage hotel and we've ordered a chicken thali. So I'll show you how the food looks over here in our place. I'm gonna definitely review. And then we're gonna get back on our journey to Amritsar.
Every scene's a delight, from sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand in this journey we're living.
Okay guys, so we have reached Amritsar and I'm in my room. We have checked in the hotel and I will attach the room tour clip after this video. This is our room in Amritsar. This is the washroom. Okay, it's quite good. And this is a mirror. I don't know why my flash is on. And यहाँ पे they given a tea station and I think this is the premix tea होगा इसमें. Yes, some water, a kettle. This is our bed, sofa, and no view today. We have to say bye bye to the room. I mean the view. But this is it. I forgot to show you, this is the storage space and there is a fridge as well जिसके अंदर कुछ है तो मुझे नहीं पता, कुछ भी नहीं है. And they have given storage over here as well. That is it. Okay you guys, and you can definitely guess where I am, in front of the beautiful golden temple. Look at it, how it's shining and it's all glory. We just visited it from inside and you cannot go inside, but it's really pretty, very sacred and a must visit from my end. Something so spiritual. The people, the culture, everything here is a must experience if you are in Amritsar, and if you are planning to, then definitely Golden Temple has to be on the list.